Hey guys, what's going on? I figured I'd just do a video to bring this to your attention. I'm currently on the altcoin market cap. It's called Total 3, and this is basically everything, all the altcoins excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so this chart is actually quite technical. Actually, before I get into the details, a couple things. First, if you want to get notified when I release new videos, just make sure you click subscribe, click the bell, and then click on all. Also, if you want a place to trade, the two exchanges that I'm currently using are linked in the pinned comment and the description. And if you sign up using those links, it's going to activate a sign up bonus for you. And if you don't want to do KYC, out of those two, the one you probably want to hit up is called BingX because they don't ask for any personal identification, okay? All right, so back to Total 3. As I mentioned, this is a very technical chart, which is kind of strange because I don't know many traders that actually trade off of this. It's just one of those things that doesn't make sense to me, but here we are. It is very technical, okay? So just to give you an overview, we had like this massive bull run here. We corrected in the form of a falling wedge. This is typically a bullish reversal pattern. We broke out. Actually, we didn't break out right away. We hovered along the broken level of resistance and it held as support. So we had basically a quadruple bottom down here, and then we just basically held this falling trend line, flipped it from a resistance to a support, and then we made our move up. Now, what's happening here, actually first, if you want to trade this, I recommend that you draw these levels on your chart, okay? Right here, take a horizontal trend line, horizontal ray, whatever, paste it at the top of these candle bodies here, and that's going to be around 439 billion. And then the next level, which is the level that we're currently fighting with here, is a horizontal level based on the top of these candle bodies right here. So you see here it was resistance. We came up, it held a support all throughout this region for about 2 months. And then we recently broke above it. We came back to retest it. And look at the fight that's been happening around here. So these are the weekly candles. So during the week, the price would come below it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, for like 2 months here, the price would trade below it. But by the time the candle closed on Sunday evening, buyer stepped in, defended the level, and this altcoin chart was saved for another week. Now, we had the weekly candle close last night. And once again, during the week, the price traded below. But by the time the candle closed, this candle was salvaged. Now, a lot of the time, what I notice is Monday, the day following the weekly candle close, we get a dump, okay? And that's what's happening here. But the fact that we're spending so much time hovering around this support level, I don't know if this is just the market maker's way of testing people's patience, but it's getting a little frustrating, and I don't like seeing the candles dip down here every week, right? It's just giving me a little bit of anxiety. Hopefully everything works out. This candle gets salvaged once again like all the rest of them, and the candle body closes above. But I can tell you that if the candle were to close like it is right now, that would be a really bad sign for altcoins, right? Unless it's just an epic fake out. But what you don't want to see is come next Sunday evening, the candle body close below this horizontal support line. Okay, because the fact that we've had these like battles with it for the last few months shows that this is a very significant level. And then closing a candle body below it would be a major sign of weakness, okay? So I'm just making this quick video to tell you to keep an eye on this. As of right now, obviously it looks bad, but it looked bad here. It looked really bad here, right? And all these candles were salvaged. So keep an eye on this candle throughout the week. Yeah, come Sunday evening, what you want to see is the candle body once again closing above this level and defending it, okay? So that's around 628 billion. But yeah, I'm going to scroll out. Definitely mark this level on your chart. And once again, it's based on the top of these candle bodies right here. Now, as I mentioned, we have this long-term falling wedge, and the breakout target for that, we haven't hit it just yet. So the way to get that is you just measure the widest part of the wedge, and then you would project it from the breakout point, which would be right here. So we haven't made it up there just yet. So hopefully it's just a fake out, and we finally get an altcoin market, because right now things seem a little different. However, in the previous cycles, alts really haven't started to move until Bitcoin made its all-time high and went into price discovery, right? So hopefully this is just a fake out, and it's just the market makers really testing our patience, okay? Now, if the price does break down from here, well, you can look for a pretty rapid drop down to the top right here at around 508 billion. But if that doesn't hold, then it's going to be another visit down to this previous resistance level and this previous support level at around 441 million. And essentially that would just be devastation for the altcoin market, okay? So if that happens, if you see the price breaking down, maybe just pick, you can basically pick almost any altcoin and open a short on it, right? Because it's going to be a bloodbath. All right, so yeah, keep an eye on this. And hopefully we're able to salvage this market cycle. All right, guys, hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn the notification bell on. And if you want to please do trade, Check out the links in the pinned comment and the description. All right, guys, take care. Bye.